How's it going, guys? Bradley Sutton from Helium 10, and today's video is about our Chrome extension Xray. I really want to make sure that you guys are using all of its features and functions. There's a lot of different little parts of Xray that I found that people don't even realize are there. So here I searched for collagen peptides powder. I'm going to click on our Chrome extension. I'm going to hit Xray, and the first thing that I want to show you guys is the search volume. You don't have to even go to our Helium 10 dashboard to get the search volume for this keyword. This keyword, collagen peptides powder, is searched for 2,054 times per month. And this data is coming directly from Amazon. This is not Google search data or anything else like that. This is directly from Amazon. The second thing I want to show you guys is how you can click right here on the sales chart. Yeah, here visually you can just see, it's going up and down, but I want to actually go day by day. I can do that. I just click on here. It brings up a new data chart here. And I can see day by day the estimate of the sales that it's doing here on September 12th did about 30 sales. Here on September 29th, still doing about 30. But I can go back 90 days. I can go back 1 year, or I can go back all time, and I can actually see maybe when the first day that he had recorded sales, and that was on, let's see here, October 9th, 2017. This guy stayed pretty steady, since then. You can see like he had some big days on certain days. He might have done a giveaway or something, but you have that historical sales data right here by clicking on that chart. The other thing that you can click on is the BSR. So let's say I want to see Zhao Nutrition, what their BSR history is like. So I click here on the BSR chart and it defaults to 30 days. I can see, okay, their price has stayed about the same, $27.89 for the buy box. Pretty good here. As you can see, that's right here. Their sales rank is going up and down a little bit. It had a really nice spike right here on the 20th of September, but it stays steady around 1,500. And the list price, does not change, has not changed. I can look back at 24 hours, even today, what the last 24 hours, trends is happening. Or again, I can go to all time to see where, what the data looks like about the price changes. It looks like the price has stayed pretty steady on this product this whole time, and their sales rank has stayed pretty steady as well. So again, guys, there's three things that we just showed you. Search volume at the top of the Xray results. Click on sales for daily sales history. Click on BSR for also the BSR history along with the price history and the list price history. Thanks, guys. Keep on crushing it.